So we had a little bit of a problem here. We hooked up the gas tank and I put a fuel filter on. As you can see, it's really gross. I figured fuel filter should catch everything. We drove maybe 20 kilometers and we changed it out. And this is the new one here. Nice and clean. A little bit dirty on the bottom, but I have another spare. Got lots of gunge in the carb from that old fuel because I figured the tank was empty. We just poured 40 liters in. Whatever little bit of stuff was in there would get diluted, go through the filter, and everything would be fine. But it clogged up the carb completely, and well, got all in the intake, and I think it might have stuck an intake valve open. And I'm really hoping that we did not bend a valve. So right now, we're just doing a quick compression test, and hopefully everything will be good. And let's see what our number is. Looks like we got a little over 125, 130, so decent. Alrighty, let's do this again. Sounds like my battery's getting a little low, but everything's working good so far. Hopefully another good number. And we're sitting right on 130 again. We got a couple more cylinders to do on this side, and then we got to do this side, but I'm not going to film everyone. I'll be back with the results in a few seconds. Well, all the compression testing is done, and I got to tell you, this is a huge relief. I didn't have anything to write on, so I just used a carb rebuild kit. But this is the compression. 2 of the cylinders are down a hair. They're at 125. The rest are at 130. Pretty good yet. This is cold. I believe it's about 3 degrees Celsius today. Not very warm. Engine hasn't been running, so I'm pretty happy with that. It seems that we do not have a bent valve, which leads me to believe my second conclusion is the timing is off because I forgot to tighten the distributor. As you can probably tell here, it moves pretty easy. And we did drive this truck, well, about 70 kilometers. So I had distributors come loose before that weren't tightened properly, and I'm hoping that that's the problem. Now that this whole fiasco is over, I can show you what I did this weekend. Me and my buddy got together and, well, we took the carpet out. And as you guys can see, yeah, there's surface rust, but for being a Saskatchewan truck, a 77, this floor is in really good shape. There's lots of stuff in here right now, but the floor is just excellent. This will all just wire wheel off and paint over it. Get a new carpet. But it smells nice in here. It doesn't smell mousy anymore. Got the coconut air freshener. These work really good to take mouse smell out of a vehicle. And as you can probably tell, we obviously got the truck driving because I said that earlier in the video. It got rained on, so it doesn't look as clean now, but we've got brand new rotors, calipers, pads, brake hoses, both sides. Everything's ready to go. Well, here we are a couple weeks later, and still waiting for parts from Jags. I ordered some exhaust bends and a trans dipstick tube because this one leaks like crazy because it hits the headers, and it'd be easier just to get a flexible dipstick tube. So I've been waiting for that for almost 3 weeks now. So I'm thinking I'm going to contact Jags, tell them to cancel my order, and I think I'm going to order from Summit. So that's why I haven't had any exhaust video out yet. Had that little problem, but it turned out everything is fine. Just been doing a few little things here and there. Did get this bug deflector set on here the other day. Looks pretty good. So hopefully soon after this one, we'll get an exhaust video or at least another video of something. Remember to like and subscribe the video if you liked it. I'm trying to keep up my best on the videos, but it's hard with work going on and parts not coming in. Thanks for watching. See you next time.